this is River Forest.
River Forest.
The most appropriately named street in the neighborhood right
Yeah,
now.
right now.
Forest on Clear Spring.
Yeah, sewer slots their cars, both of them.
Yeah.
Actually, we have all three of them there.
Man, these guys got it bad.
Okay, I don't know what the current is up here. I haven't been back here yet.
If
But,
anything, I bet it's coming this way.
well, yeah. So,
But- It doesn't look too bad.
Here's your house right there.
okay, I got you.
This, okay, on the other side. I grew up in the gray house there with the
All right,
columns.
now we need to start looking for any colors underwater that are
Yeah.
cars.
Oh, God.
Because
Now-
we've gone over several cars.
Really?
As I remember over here on the first and second day, I don't think there were any in the street.
Okay. Kind of keep your
Yeah.
eyes peeled.
Yeah, so that's the house I grew up in, 502.
Okay. Wow.
All right, so
This is where we're going
now
here.
we're gonna go check out how to get in, but there is always a chance that we can't get in.
Right.
And this car, this boat car.
You know, if you want, we can kind of just use the stick to kind of move around in the
Unfortunately,
oar.
is it really the second house on the right?
Yeah, right here.
Okay, I don't
Wait, this
I
one?
don't know how you're gonna get in there.
She have a dog?
No.
You can't.